Today I would like to introduce to you our CNC lathe machine, CK6432. This machine processing length is 500 millimeters. This machine uses Siemens controller. Also, customer can choose Fnac controller or GSK brand controller. This is a hydraulic chuck. Customer can also choose manual chuck. And this is 8-station electrical 2-post. Customer can choose 6-station or 4-station electrical 2-post, or choose gun type 2-post. And here, this is manual type till stock. Customer can also choose hydraulic type till stock or pneumatic type till stock. 这个效果怎么样？